Similar story, you know, he was in Davidson County, but I mean, so many neighborhoods, Brian, all throughout the Piedmont Triad. I mean, this weather event stretched far and wide.
Indeed, yeah, definitely happy to see some efforts and some work going into Davidson County, because Brian, correct me if I'm wrong, but like they received the most snow in our area.
16 inches of snow. I mean, just put that in perspective. Oof. I haven't crunched the numbers on this yet, but this is just an educated guess. I think that's probably more snow than they've seen since 2020 combined. I mean, all the years together. We just haven't had very many snowy winters. And when you take that fact and look at the fact that we had an ice storm just the week before, I mean, this has been just a crazy couple of weeks weather-wise. We just don't see this around here. Not to mention the fact that we had historic cold in the area too yesterday. We'll get to those numbers in a minute. So let's take a little bit of a Zen weather moment and talk about spring. 45 days away and counting. It can't come soon enough. We've been in the deep freeze of late. Last 10 days or so, it's been a struggle just to get back to 40 degrees, which we finally got to yesterday. In fact, I have to say, 41 in Greensboro, I was surprised we actually got that warm with all the fresh snowpack in place, chilling in the air. The fact that our morning low earlier on was 3 chilly degrees. Not only the coldest air of the season so far, but the coldest temperature that we have seen in 30 years at PTI Airport. Beat the old record low, obviously. 6 degrees was a record before then. That was set back in 1971. Temperatures this morning are much more normalized, still cooler than average, but we're in the mid-40s for the most part. Temperatures in the upper teens from Mocksville to Asheboro this morning. Clouds are starting to gather. We have another system that's beginning to develop well to our west. It will bring some rain into our area and perhaps even a little snow before things begin to wind down. High pressure will give way to increasing clouds. Your Tuesday is going to be mostly cloudy. This starts to roll in this evening. It will bring a band of rain through. Scattered showers is really all that we're expecting, and most of it will be to the west, but a pretty dry forecast for your Tuesday, with highs once again returning to the lower 40s. South winds at 5 to 10 will help with that. We'll start to introduce an evening chance for a few passing showers. Chances will be higher overnight and then during the day tomorrow. We'll see similar numbers in the foothills, calm winds, rain chances increase by later this evening, and for the mountains, high temperatures in the upper 30s today. Even the mountains will likely start as a few rain showers before this begins to taper down again. So let's look at the models, and you can see in the hour-by-hour forecast, clouds are heavy today. Temperatures getting into the 30s and lower 40s over the region, but again, no sign of any wet weather just yet. It starts to move in this evening, may mix with a few snowflakes or sleet pellets, with temperatures hovering above freezing, but still in the low to mid 30s. And then it starts to overspread the area later on tonight. So showery late. I think most folks are in for this. Temperatures are still in the 30s. And they'll stay in the 30s for much of the day tomorrow, but the atmosphere will start to cool down from top to bottom or north to south once we get into Wednesday afternoon. So a good period of rain possible. We're expecting somewhat of a changeover or at least a mix sometime in the evening. I think it'll take a while for temperatures to cool, but we should settle into the 20s. And then this winds down by Thursday morning. We could see some accumulation from this, but it should be relatively light. I'm thinking an inch or less in most areas. I think higher totals perhaps in our northern counties and of course the mountains that we'll see a little bit more of a prolonged event. This is one model's interpretation of how this could go. Again, there's more on the ground that we'll have to deal with, but if temperatures do slip into the 20s, this could coat some roads. But again, I think this is going to be mostly on grassy surfaces and whatnot, especially with temperatures in the 40s for a couple of days. So we're going to watch out for that as well. So showery weather on your Wednesday, changing over to some wintry mix late in the evening. I don't think it has a terrible impact, but we'll have to watch things pretty closely for Thursday morning. We're back in the 40s starting Friday, and that continues into the weekend as we start to creep those temperatures back up and at least get them closer to normal.